Hey, what's up guys? It's Green Zephyr. Today I'm going to be showing off what I got for my birthday. So I had a shipment come in a few weeks ago for, basically there are 15 different shark jaws of 10 different species. So I'm going to be unboxing these. So here's my guide. Each one of these has a number on it, so that's how I know what species they are. So 4084 is Silky shark jaws. So here we have two sets of Silky shark jaws. So we'll get a closer look at these up here, if it will focus. Maybe. There we go. And you can see the rows of teeth in the bottom there. And here's the other one, a little bit wider, and it's missing a few teeth right here. But that's fine. Then these came in a separate shipment. Here are spot tail shark jaws. So these ones are really tiny, only about 3.5 inches wide. So pretty small shark. These ones actually have teeth that look kind of like a tiger shark's teeth, honestly. Up here you can see them kind of slanting like a tiger shark's would. Actually, I need to put these back by the bag so I know which ones these are. And then here are my smallest ones, gulper shark jaws. With itsy bitsy little teeth. Next, we have 5378, which is black spot shark jaws. So here's one. So these ones kind of look like blue shark jaws, very similar, with the bunch of spikes on the bottom jaw there, and then on the top jaw with different looking teeth. And the second one, here we go. Lots of prickly teeth on the bottom. And next, $5,872, which I don't even need to look at the guide to see what these ones are. So I just know. So these ones, short fin mako shark. And so I love mako shark teeth. They have really long spiky ones, and in the bottom you can see that too. A whole bunch of spikes basically. And here they have kind of two forward facing ones that are just all the way outside. Not even being contained by the jaws themselves. Then over here we have rows of teeth, and that's pretty cool. Here. Yeah. My cat's trying to jump up here. Yep, there he goes. Then I have some tiny ones. 5,373, which is 5,373. Well, this is labeled wrong on there, but I know what they are. So on here, on the paper it says 5,372, but I know that these are. So the bag's labeled wrong. So anyway, so these ones are spotless smooth hound shark. So the smooth hound shark, which, well, actually that kind of worked. Now I don't know if they're called that because of their teeth are smooth or because of their body or whatever, but these teeth are really smooth. These are cool looking. They're like tooth pads, kind of like that of a catfish. And so this shark would actually have much more teeth than a whole lot of other species, as you can see all those tiny ones in there. So this would be hundreds of teeth, possibly even 1,000. The other ones have maybe 100 or so, maybe 200. This one has way more. Then I have the other two smooth hound sharks. So these ones are smaller than the first one, but they're the same species, and you can see the jaws are pretty much identical, just smaller. Interesting mouth shape. And then here is 5,673. I'm assuming this is a 7 here. 5,673. That would be Dusky shark jaws. So these ones are pretty large, not quite as big as a mako shark, but still pretty big. And very sharp. So yes, here are Dusky shark jaws. And so these ones have very straight teeth towards the top up here. The bottom ones are more spiky. You can see the rows on here. So that's pretty interesting. The top ones only have like 3 rows, maybe 4. Bottom ones have 5 or 6. And I just stabbed myself. Cool. So, next we have 4955, which is Scalloped Hammerhead jaws. These ones are double stapled. And one of these is quite a bit bigger than the other one. So here we have these. So, Scalloped Hammerhead Shark. Come on. There we go. Teeth are pretty much the same on top and bottom jaw. And the rows down here, there are less of them than on other sharks. And this one's labeled and packed differently. So 5130 is the big nose shark. There we go. Here we go with these. These are interesting looking. These, yeah. So, here we have the big nose shark jaws with wider teeth on top, and then on the bottom has small and pointy. These ones are over 11 inches wide. So those are pretty cool. Then we have the very last one, which is number 4685. 4685 is spinner shark. And these ones are a monster. So here we have these over 14 inches wide. Here's a tag around the jaws. So anyway, here we go with these over 14 inches wide monstrous spinner shark jaws. So this is a really big shark. So teeth on the bottom. I don't want this to break when I hold it. Come on. There. Look at all those rows down there. Tons and tons of them. Then on top, it has more spikies. Little tiny teeth just coming out up there in the middle. And my cat is back up, but I guess this time it's a different cat. And from the back side, you can see all of these. I gotta get in focus. There we go. All of those teeth. all the ones on the bottom. Yeah, there we go. You can see a cool pad at the very center of the mouth that almost looks like a skeleton of, like, you know, like kind of like fish bones with a rib cage and then ribs sticking out. That's pretty cool. So anyway, there are my 15 different shark jaws that I got for my birthday, which is today. So that's it for this video. See you next time. Thanks for watching.